have a maintenance procedure based on the latest information from SCI to share and show us. And let's see that your maintenance worked on one of our product and comment and on how you're doing it. All right, so let's see of your spec sheet.
Okay.
And
here is our folder of our spec sheet.
mm-hmm.
We have them all in this folder.
Okay.
In these two folders, and we also have them within our drive or our files.
So this is keep in your drive, hard drive or server?
Our server,
Okay.
our universal server for our company.
Okay.
Where we have access to every single model.
Okay.
And the spec sheets from here.
Okay. Nice.
Somewhat truncated. Or simplified.
Yeah. Yeah.
For our own use.
Yes.
Going over the common fixes.
Yeah.
The maintenance menu. How to enter maintenance mode. And diffuser replacements.